G'day everyone, welcome back to Heroes Model Bench. As you can see, I've got a box. The box states icysticky.com.au. So I'm tipping this is from Monique and Mr. Sticky. So let's open the box. I'll be using my Icy Sticky model knife. Across. Let's see, I have no idea what's in this box. This is a bit of a gift. So let me just move this out over here onto my leg. Lots of paper. Good packing. Oh, there's a lot in here actually. 2 bags of lollies. Thank you, Monique. Like my lollies. Okay, so what I've got. I have an Icy Sticky Hobby Glue Clear Flexi CA, ideal for photo etch parts. Rubber, steel, glass, plastic, leather, resin, metal, paper, wood and aluminium. Just read the back. Yes, this would be a good one to try out. Let's just have a look at it, have a smell. It just smells like the CA that I've got with Icy Sticky. So I'll put that one there. That's really nice, thank you Monique. I'll have to give that a go soon. So we'll be doing my HMAS Darwin, which will be full of the full of photo etch. Alright, so what have we got here? We've got 3 more little packages. Just cut through that. What have we got in this one? These are the new Icy Sticky glues, which will take over from the Tamiya. For this one we have the Icy Sticky Quick Set Cement. So that one, I'll just show you this first. The clear flexi. That one. So we've got the Quick Set Cement, which would be the equivalent of the Tamiya Extra Thin Quick Setting. Let's just have a quick look. It's got a bigger brush, so a bigger applicator than the Tamiya, which is nice. I like that. Peter will probably spill it all over his Icy Sticky cutting mat. Then we've got the Icy Sticky, this would be extra thin, extra thin cement. Again with a nice longer applicator. Got that one. Nice big applicator, filled right to the top, which is always handy. And then we've got the Icy Sticky liquid cement. Which is that one? Oops. It's the Icy Sticky liquid cement, which it looks to be a bit thicker. It smells a bit thicker, so yeah. This is going to be interesting to use. Thank you Monique and Mr. Sticky, or Mr. Icky, whichever one you prefer to be called, mate. So yeah, so that little package from Monique and the lovely mob at Icy Sticky has given me 2 bags of lollies. See? Yummy. The Clear Flexi CA. Just that one, and the extra thin, the quick set and the liquid cement. from Icky Sticky cements. So there we go. So again, thank you Monique and Mr. Icky Sticky. If you haven't already, please people go and check them out. I know a lot of the international types have checked them out, so it is well worth it. It's a great product. As everyone knows, I don't blow smoke up people's asses. If I think the product's shit, it's shit, and I'll say it's shit. If I think the product's great, I'll again let everyone know how great the product is. So I mean, that's why I rave about with the Icky Sticky stuff. I always rave about the glues. So the CAs, and I always again rave about the Outlaw Paints products. So it's a great primer, and like I said, it didn't go well with my rusting up of the V-dub. So yeah, it didn't do well with that. I told everyone that, and Jason was happy that I told everyone that. So yeah, anyway, oh, excuse me. Like I said, if you haven't already, please go and check out Icky Sticky. So www.ickysticky.com.au. Go and check out Outlaw Paints at www.outlawpaints.com.au. And yeah, give it all a go and have fun. So I'll get back into this new build of this new V-dub, and I'll be back once the first part of this video is done. So I'll talk to you all then.